Rice with pine nuts and toasted pasta. I've toasted broken pasta in butter, and we're gonna start our rice pilaf. So I toast the broken spaghetti until it's deep brown, fragrant, and smells like toasted nuts. I've seasoned this with salt and pepper, and I've cooked it in just a little bit of butter, or you can use olive oil, doesn't matter. Here's the fun part. In the water, to 1.5 cups of rice and a fat handful of pasta, I have 2.5 cups of water, and I put in the entire peel of 1 lemon and a big fat clove of crushed garlic. So now we're gonna bring the lemon garlic water to a boil with the lightly toasted rice and the dark toasted pasta. And a good pinch of kosher salt. And when it comes to a boil, you guys know the drill. Turn it down to low. As soon as all of the liquid absorbs, we push it off to the side and we add about 1/2 cup of toasted pine nuts. Look at this. 2 roasted whole eggplants. In the summer, I would do these on the outdoor grill. It's not quite warm enough today. John didn't feel like standing outside for an hour, quite frankly. So I roasted them in a very hot oven, 480-degree oven. It started out like this. All I did was poke a few holes in it. You let them go till they look like this, guys, like flat tires, literally. And then we let them get cool enough to handle. Here's the carnage. It's not very attractive to watch this, but once the eggplants are cool enough to handle, you literally tear away all of that charred skin. And you just put the eggplants into a bowl and mash them with a fork. Now, guess what? As in all dishes, it seems in Greek cuisine, we're gonna add lemon juice. Lots of bright lemon. More good olive oil. You can mince the garlic, but by using the zester side of the grater, it turns it into almost paste. Garlic. Little red onion. About 1/2 of a small to medium red onion. Little piece of papery skin and the eggplant left there. And again, put them away clean and ready to use. And all I did was thinly slice it one direction, give it a spin, and she's in.
You're a poet and you don't even know it.
And then mint, parsley, and oregano. You can use dry oregano if you don't have fresh on hand. And then for dry spice, I use a little cumin. Oh, just 1/3 of a palm or so. A little sprinkle of cumin and a little red pepper. You can use black pepper. I'm gonna use some ground pepperoncini in mine to spice it up. And that's it. You serve this with pita for dipping and slurping and mushing around together. Our eggplant dip and our rice with pine nuts and toasted pasta